going to make a bunch of annoying sounds.
This is my
Move! Oh, yeah. Well, those were my annoying sounds and annoying sounds.
adventurous.
I'm going to move into lots of adventurous stuff.
Different emotions.
Oh, it's a wild ivy. That's a wild recording Scarlet. It's a white car. Bush tree. Bush tree. Sign. Tree. The back of a wild scarlet cat.
Yeah.
The sound of a fart. A Dairy Queen. A good Dairy Queen over there. Look at this Dairy Queen. Look at this Dairy Queen. Look at it. And then a car. Then plants. Then a tree with no leaves. And then John. Okay, adios.